Hello traders, welcome back to Simply Forex. In today's video, I'm going to explain a trade that I made in the VIP Discord and explain this part of the trade. So the trade here, as you can see, Euro Canadian dollar sell, entries, stop loss hedge, take profit, etc. But then I put, because of risk to reward is 2:1, I will enter 50% of usual trade size. And then if price retraces, I will add another 50%. All right, so guys, I'm just going to explain this entry and what I mean by this. So if I close this down now and show you the actual trade, okay? So Euro Canadian dollar, let's probably start with the day chart because you probably haven't seen it enough. Yeah, but we're looking for sells. We're at the top of a range, yeah, and we're looking for sells, okay? And as you can see, we're getting a few bearish wicks, and the idea is to come lower, okay? If we drop down to the H4 now, yeah, we're also still in a H4 downtrend. We was in an uptrend, and then we broke down, and we're currently here. Yeah, we've got a bit of indecision here, but we're in a H4 downtrend. And then on the H1, the candle I entered on was this, guys, was this bearish H1 candle. And we've also had this candle now that's broken these lows. Okay, so we like this. So I entered here. Okay, I entered a sell trade here. And my first target's here. Yeah, because Euro Canadian dollar has not been collapsing and continuing to collapse. So the market is telling me this area right here is a good area in terms of a target. Yeah, and from this sell price, it's just over 20 pips from here to here. Okay, this is about 22 pips. Okay, I'm going to write that in. Bear with me. Not easy to write with a mouse pen. Now, this up here are those daily highs. So really, I am only totally wrong, yeah, when we break these highs up here. My stop was at 147.31. Okay, but this is around 40 pips. Okay, let's just check it exactly. So if we start here, yeah, there you go, around 40 pips. Okay, so you're probably thinking, Tom, why the hell have you taken this trade? You know, the risk to reward doesn't make sense. I'm risking 2 to make 1, pretty much. Hence the 2:1. All right. Really, you want this at least 1:1. Okay, but this is the situation we find ourselves, and I was still willing to take this trade. But there's reasons I'm willing to take this trade. All right, so I've not entered my normal trade size at this level. So this level is 50% of my normal trade size. Okay. And if price just shoots down and goes in my favor, I'm still making profit. Okay. And what I'm going to do, guys, is basically, you know, if price comes back up to here, maybe it get a bearish reaction here, or it even wants to come back up to these daily highs, you know, I will wait for potentially another bearish reaction here. Let's say we get another bullish candle. And then I will add another 50% to the trade. Yeah, I do need another trigger. I do need to see a bearish reaction. Okay, then I'll enter another 50%. And now my risk to reward starts to make sense. So let's just tidy this up, guys. I've entered 50% here. Yeah, my target's here. My stop loss is up here. Okay, if price comes back up to these daily highs, yeah, and I get another bearish reaction, I will enter another 50%. Okay. So now my average price is the middle of these two prices. Yes, this is my A for average price. Okay. Now our risk to reward makes perfect sense. Yeah. If I go up to our stop loss now, yeah, that is 30 pips. If I go down to our target, that is 34 pips. All right. So this is what I plan to do. Okay, which is why I'm willing to take the trade at a poor risk to reward as it stands. But also, guys, it allows you, by trading like this and building a position, it also allows you to take advantage if the trade just does this. Yeah. Yeah. We can still make money on 50% of our trade. And trading this way still allows you to keep your stop loss where you want. Yeah, the temptation is, because you're entering here, the temptation is to, which I've done previously last couple of days, is to put our stop loss above here. Yeah, so the 1:1 makes sense. Okay. But I would argue your stop loss here is not at the point at which you are wrong. This is the point at which you are wrong, and this is where your stop loss should be. So in this scenario, we need to build a trade. Yeah. And we'll see how this trade pans out, guys. All right. So I just wanted to explain Euro Canadian dollar and the trade I just posted in the VIP Discord. I hope that helps explain it and understand the methodology there. And if you've enjoyed the vid, guys, then please subscribe to the channel right now. And also, everyone, please smash the like button. All right, guys. See you next time.